Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you a tour of the residential apartments in New Kingston. Some are finished, some are under construction. So this one here that we're looking at, it's under construction, but as you can see it's very close to being completed. So we're just going to drive around this side of New Kingston. So we are on the side of New Kingston where you have basically Braemar Avenue, Musgrave, those roads, which is the other side of New Kingston. On the Trinidad Terrace side, the Knutsford Boulevard side, you have the commercial buildings, the high-rise buildings, but on this side it's residential. So we're now going to take a look at the largest apartment building in Jamaica, but straight ahead is the Argyle, and we're turning on to Musgrave Avenue now. So on the left is the Cambridge, which is 2 towers, 10 floors each, and it's the largest apartment building or complex in Jamaica. Hundreds of apartments over there. So over here now on the right is Hampshire. And the Hampshire, it's 66 units, and they were sold out within hours of them going on the market. So the same company that did the Hampshire then went ahead and built the Cambridge. So we're now going on to Braemar Avenue, and that's the Argyle on the right, but on the left, that white building, 10 floors, it's either 9 or 10 floors, is the view at the Braemar. Very nice building. They're all sold out. It was built by Proven, and Proven has, after building this one, they built their Vista in Mandeville, and then now they're building the SOL Harbour in Ocho Rios, and another one in Runaway Bay, Bahira. Very nice building. Now over here is another residential building that's going up. It's actually 2 towers. Now over here on the left where you see the blue fence, they are starting another development over there, and straight ahead you have another development that's finished. Now straight ahead, that is the Cambridge. We're going to give you another view as we drive around. Straight ahead now is a very nice view of the Cambridge. As we said earlier, this is the largest apartment complex in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, have a good day.